All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are on the top of a brand new exit. And I'm super scared. One, because I can't see everything, but also because the landing zone is shit. So, let's see what happens. And this ledge is scary as shit too. Three, two, one, tits. Let's see if we can land real quick. Holy shit. Woohoo! You bastard. By the way, we are at 14,000 feet density altitude right now. So we're cruising right now. We're cooking. Hardcore cooking. They're cooking too fast. Whoa! Holy shit, that was a fast landing. Oh! It's been done. The American Death Star. I will not be doing that again. Let me tell you, landing at this high of an elevation in this is intense. Even the Griffiths was scared for me. Oh, the exit was at 14,000 feet density altitude, and it was only about a 2,000 foot flight, probably less because I landed all the way up here. So probably 1,700 feet. I'm guessing right now where I'm standing, we're at 12,000 feet elevation, density altitude. That was the fastest landing of my life. I could have gone so much further down and dirty in that goalie, but I was like so worried about this landing here. But look at it. Where else would I have landed? The Griffiths, keeping the legs in one piece.